Hey y'all, I've been back in Texas for a week. My daughter's staying with me. We've been really busy with the art show at Plush Gallery. Finally today, we have a moment to do the laundry. So we're here at the lavanderia. How's it going? Thank you, gracias. Okay, got the change. Load them up. My daughter had just come to stay with me in Texas. We were just starting to get settled in our new routine. Sometimes life brings you changes, and the best you can do is roll with it.
This is kind of like a video game. Just when you start the washer, or start the dryer, it's like a video game.
The only thing is you pay money to watch the clothes spin around.
Yeah.
In Oaxaca, lavabo mi ropa por mano en el lavadero.
That's very different from like how people wash clothes here in the U.S. It sounds kind of like life sometimes, doesn't it?
What, you're just watching it spin around in the machine?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, hopefully at least you're getting clean in the process.
Oh yeah, hopefully.
We had a lot of dirty clothes that day.
Yeah, we did.
It seems like we don't wash the clothes until we get a huge bag of dirty clothes.
Yeah. My wolf hat.
Hey, why did you keep looking at the camera?
I don't know. That's just a habit of mine. I like to break the fourth wall. That kind of reminds me of how I would kind of wash my clothes at Arkansas, where I would have them like in bigger loads. Wash them that way.
Yeah, I did the same thing in Oaxaca. I'd wait till there's a huge pile before I wash them. There you are looking at the camera.
And he rolls my hands up. Why did I do that?
Yeah, huge pile of clothes to fold.
Oh, that's when the clothes were hot. Oh man.
That would feel good right about now in this cold weather.
Yeah, like that was like during the summer.
It was still hot outside.
Yeah.
We did it. How did that go?
It went good.
Our first lavanderia experience in Dallas. It's nice to have clean clothes, huh?
Yeah. You had a good price to wash the clothes.
They had a free dryer.
Yeah.
So you pay for the laundry machine.
Yeah.
And it dries for free.
That was a good deal.